Hey guys, today I just wanted to I just want to ask you something before we start the video. Should I stay in California, go to Connecticut, or go back to Pennsylvania? Because I'm only gonna be here for a year. It's almost past. It's February right now. Yes, you have till the end of the year. My mom doesn't know what to do. I really want to go back to Pennsylvania. And I want to stay in California. And I want to go to Connecticut because I have friends here, friends there, and then one of my sisters are in Connecticut. I don't know what to do. There's snow in Pennsylvania. I really like the snow. But you have to come and you just have to. I don't know. I don't know what to do. And the most comments win. Okay, that's it. First of all, I gotta put these someplace. My sister's using my old tablet case. I didn't think they were gonna fit in there. Excuse me? I'm just making sure Jake's lights were on. A was at gymnastics. I had lunch, but going in circles, going round and round, going in circles, going round and round. I'm going in circles like I don't know. I got nothing. Evie, what you doing? You gotta see. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube.
Your model just tapped us out, and how much more money we talking?
This woman is really well known. She gave someone 2 stars for a lousy internet connection.
Correct. Okay.
High five? High five?
I'll do some research and I'll try to get this.
Evie, high five?
Oh,
High five? Yep. Okay. High five? Okay. Good girl. Onyx, you will be in YouTube? He's the big boy. He's the big boy. He's a little girl. He's a big boy. Onyx might be a big dog, but he's really sweet. Oh, I thought. That's true. If everybody's scared of Onyx, that's why I told you. Onyx is not. He's actually really sweet. Baby's getting trained in Pennsylvania. We're gonna get her once after a year, so we gotta figure out what we're gonna do. I don't want to stay in Pennsylvania. I want to go to Pennsylvania. I have tons of it. I was there for almost 5 years. You playing with the bone? You playing with the bone?
Hey, Vern. Did you hear that Emily's country inn is finally open?
I love you.
You did well by her.
You do good.
That means a lot coming from me. Thanks.
This is Evie.
Okay, so over there, you want someone? I got
You may see her on my mommy's channel.
There's nothing I like better than a wedding. We'll make sure
I smell pizza, and there's no pizza.
Alright, I gotta go pick up the rest of the fabric.
Where are you going, Evie?
Enjoy your
You smell pizza too?
just a warm up for yours, sweetheart.
Thanks.
Love you.
She's trying to look for pizza. I don't think there's pizza, but I smell it. All three dogs are in here. Oh, Evie's going outside. That's all she wanted. Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Let's go. One moment, please. Okay, let me. I'm back. I thought he was back in already.
That's ready.
I thought Evie was back in already. Wait, is she? Yes, she is! I'm making a YouTube video.
Making another one, huh? I'm gonna have to. You're gonna have to show me how to get on, or maybe Seth needs to show me how to connect with your YouTube.
Here.
Because that's really cool.
Can I film outside too? No.
You can. You want me to wait to go outside while you do that?
If you want to.
I don't want to smoke near you.
Okay.
So
I'll go on the other side of the yard. I'll go on the other side of the yard.
oh, okay. Well, if the smoke is reaching, you gotta let me know, okay?
Okay.
And by the way, you were nailing these days?
No, not yet.
Probably do that anyway.
Yeah.
So why don't you go do that?
Okay.
And I'll hold off on it.
My brother's in the bathroom, and I didn't want you guys to wait too long. So I'm gonna have to sit here and wait and do nothing. And I did my inhaler, that's why I gotta brush my teeth. I don't know why. You're gonna have to wait for a part 2. Bye.